Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you to set your pinion to spur gear mesh on your RC car. Teach you a little trick on it and how to check the backlash to make sure you've done it right. Just hang in there. This is what's known as a receipt trick. Put a receipt between your spur gear and your pinion gear, mesh it down, tighten it up, and then you pull the receipt out. I've got the receipt down really small so it's easier to see. But you pull the receipt out and then your backlash should be set. Of course, you spin the tires, it'd be easy. Make it kick the receipt out. Then you can see in there, your gear mesh is set. See, you get that very slight rock back and forth. That's what you call backlash. You want just a little bit of backlash. If not, you're going to be sitting there binding against your transmission bearings, the bearings in your motor, plus you'll be wearing into your gear and probably going to cause it to tear up something extremely fast, but I know for sure it's going to wear the bearings in your motor out and it's going to eat the gear up eventually. So be careful how you set these things. But just that slight amount of backlash right there is about perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Let me know anything you may want to see on my channel. Tips and tricks that might help you out, or something that may actually be good for my truck. Things that you've done that maybe I've done wrong or that you think would work better. Anyway, until next time, guys. Thank you.